iCareinn Blackhead Remover is a beauty pore vacuum tool with wide functionality like dermabrasion, Blu-ray light, and blackhead suction. It also cleanses pores and removes acne. It uses more than 100,000 microcrystal drilling particles with vacuum suction to eliminate the outer layer of aging skin and pores of the dirt, so that the pores can be cleansed well, and you get smooth, clean, and tender skin. It has a non-invasive and non-irritating technology which can control the degree of the dermabrasion by the suction bar. At the same time, the 5 different shape of the probes have different functions such as skin grinding, pore cleansing, etc. About how to use this blackhead remover machine. Step 1. Wash your face to keep it clean and dry. Step 2. Use a facial steamer or hot towel or exporting liquid for 10 minutes to warm your face and open up your facial pores. Step 3. Press the power button and select the intensity level of suction. Start from the lowest level. Hold the vacuum pore extractor and move it back and forth. Do not stay on one spot over 3s. Tips: turn on/off. Press the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on or turn it off. During the process, you can press the power button for 1 second to stop or carry on. Step 4. Massage your face using Blu-ray light head to get bacteria killed and ensure anti-inflammatory facial pore effect. Step 5. Apply a cold mask or other facial toner to restore your skin and close your facial pores. After that, apply face moisturizers. Product specifications: built-in battery capacity, 600 mAh suction power, 55 kPa, rated power, 1.8 W, charging time, 1H, 15H, working time, 1H, 2H, product size, 177mm x 53.4mm, weight, 0.48 lb, package content, 1x machine, 5x suction cups, 1x USB cable, 1x charging base, 1x product instruction. Skin or salon at home. iCareinn Blackhead Remover is a pore suction tool which removes blackheads, acne, and rough skin, exfoliates dead skin, reduces oil, and deeply cleanses face pores, making your skin clean, tightened, and refreshed. Professional. Blackhead extractor has 5 different suction heads for different kinds of skin, which makes it professional and most efficient pore vacuum cleaner. Unique and innovative Blu-ray light helps kill bacteria, get anti-inflammatory facial pore effect, repair damaged skin. Efficient. Pore extractor has 4 adjustable suction power levels, can deal with different kind and parts of skin, so that you can choose the most suitable power to effectively suck out all the blackheads and acnes without hurting your skin. Rechargeable, waterproof, and low noise. Blackhead vacuum is made of high-quality ABS and eco-friendly materials, using non-invasive and non-irritating vacuum suction technology. It is waterproof and low-noise microdermabrasion machine with USB charging, durable battery, and 55 kPa suction power. Guarantee: vacuum blackhead remover has 18 months warranty from us. You can return it and get full refund within 45 days. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.